Hey, it's Nick from 50 Campfires, and there's something to be said about the classics. In my hands, I have a Zebco Model 33. This reel was first introduced in 1954 with very few changes. They're still making it to this day. However, a few big improvements have been made that make this reel really popular as a starter reel as well as with kind of experienced fishermen. So first of all, the gear ratio is 3.6 to 1, which is slightly faster than the original Model 33. You're gonna get about 19 inches of line per full turn as a retrieval rate, which is awesome. It comes stocked with 10-pound test. You get about 100 yards of 10-pound test here in the reel. Awesome, perfect for even if you get a snag and you have to cut some off. So it's a simple push button design reel, which was great this week because I was using the rod, my son was using the reel, my sister was, everyone, we were able to use it without getting any snarls inside of the reel itself. And that's thanks to what Zebco is calling a T-ring technology. And the T-ring reduces snarls inside the reel by up to 200%. It works. So sometimes it's all about the classics. The thing I love about the Zebco 33 is that it's widely available. Just about any store that stocks Zebco and fishing gear will have one in stock for you. Go get yourself one.